Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to customize gestures for your earbuds Plantronics Backbeat Pro. So firstly, I recommend to perform a software reset. Put your earbuds to the charging case, then close the case, and now your earbuds disconnected from your phone. You can check it in the settings. So if you go to the Bluetooth or connected devices, right now it's disconnected because I have Realme, and right here I have no information about this earbud. So usually if it connected, I have in use. If you have another Android device, it will move from my devices to save devices, meaning the same. And if you have iOS near to your active earbud, you will see not connected near to both of them, Then you just open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect with your phone. So right here, as you can see, I have in use, and I use the right earbud like a primary one. If you have Android, it will return to my devices your prime earbud, and if you have iOS, you will see connected. Now, if the software set didn't help you, you need to check, and if it didn't help you, you need to perform a factory reset. So you need to use an application, and there is no application for iOS devices. So open Backbeat app, then go to the settings at the right top, and at the bottom we have reset settings. Tap at this line, click reset, and again reset. Now we need to wait, and then click done. After that, go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and it automatically removed these earbuds from your phone. I don't know if it removed it from your phone also. So if it doesn't, just click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds, and then click forget device or forget this device, and remove your right and left earbud. After that, if you have Android, click pair new device at the top, or if you haven't, this button, maybe you need to turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or just go back and return to the Bluetooth. It's the same for iOS. After that, this earbuds enter to bring mode automatically after factory reset, so tap at your earbuds at the device list. Click pair. Now it asks you to pair the left earbud, and click pair again. And that's it. But maybe the problem is your earbud, one of your earbuds are discharged. So then try to firstly clean charging contacts, and right here we have charging contacts, so you can apply the propyl alcohol and clean it with a brush or toothbrush if you haven't clean tool. Also I recommend it to do the same for the charging contacts at your charging case, and then try to put your earbuds to the case and charge them. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!